Some journeys don't come with signboards. You just need the courage to go and the right gear to guide you. Meet the Garmin eTrex 10, your trusted GPS companion for every adventure. Built tough to handle the wild. Compact, waterproof, and ready for anything. eTrex 10 keeps you on track no matter where you roam. With a worldwide base map, high-sensitivity GPS receiver, and paperless geocaching, you'll always know where you are and where you're going. Mark up to 1,000 waypoints, save 100 tracks, and explore for up to 25 hours on just 2 AA batteries. Simple, smart, and built for explorers. Whether you're hiking, hunting, or mapping your next trail, Garmin eTrex 10 delivers the dependability adventurers have trusted for years. Garmin eTrex 10. Rugged, reliable, ready for the road ahead. Get yours today at testinstruments.pk and explore with confidence.